Today I'm taking a look at this air hammer gun here. And let me just see here. We got, feels nice and heavy duty. Looks like it's got everything you need here. Just got to get it put together. And once it's together, you can see we have several options here. Flat chisels, one with a little V in it, a larger V one, and then a pointed one. And then we have this one here that's flat, made for, I guess, pounding down on something. Now, you have a couple options here for installing these tools on. You can install it on the tool directly in here, and then put the spring mechanism on and tighten that up. And that'll allow this to jump back and forth without coming out when you're running it. Or you can install the quick disconnect tool. And that screws on here like so. And this has a spring mounted locking mechanism. And you just slide this down in here, bring that back, bring it in, and then you have it locked on that way. So you have a couple of different ways you can put these tools on depending on what you're trying to do. So it does come with a fitting and some Teflon with a gasket, so you're good to go. Just get this thing all set up, and of course you can dial the pressure in with this right here. All right, I got some air hooked up to it here, and I just got this chisel on here, and I'm just going to demonstrate on this metal. If you're trying to get some metal off of something, then this certainly would work for that. But it worked for a lot of other stuff too, chipping away cement, whatever it might be. Now, I would definitely recommend earplugs for this because it is loud. And then you're ready to go. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put the flat bit in there. And to change it, pull this collar back, pulls right out. Put this one in. That's in place. Oh, that's not the one I wanted. This one here, but you can see how quick and easy it is to change these out with this quick disconnect here. Now I got this rust over here I want to clean up. Now you can see this thing works very, very well. Cleaning up loose or even tough rust, just blasting it away, getting it all cleaned up. So many different uses for this. If you're trying to get into a small, tight area, whatever, you got this little pointed one here. This can get in the corners, whatever. But definitely a great tool to have. Like I said, I recommend hearing protection with this because it is loud. I will try to taper down the volume when I get to this point in the video when I edit it, but it is definitely loud. So, but these guys are nice enough to send this out to me. Now, this is by Proster, and I have reviewed and used several of their tools, and I really like all of them. And this one, once again, is no different. Definitely a pretty good quality. See how it holds up over time, of course. But if you're looking to, get a hammer gun like this for doing all kinds of different things, I definitely can recommend this for sure. Certainly works very, very well. The little bit that I have used it. And quick disconnect, or you can use the other method. Same thing. Totally up to you. But it comes with everything you need to get started. All you need is your air line and some compressed air, and you are good to go. Now, I want to thank these guys for sending this out to me. I really appreciate it. It's definitely going to come in handy cleaning up rust or whatever. It could be used for so many different things. So I really appreciate the fact that they're willing to send this out to me, and I want to thank them for that. And hopefully the short video helps you out and shows you a little bit about what this is and what it can do. And you can determine whether or not it's right for you. But now, if you click that order button, you know what you're going to get. And hopefully this video helps you out.